Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and tell me in the comments what content you'd like to see. To use Git and GitHub effectively in Visual Studio Code versus Code, you need to follow several key steps that integrate source control directly into your development workflow. First, install Git from gitscm.com and make sure it's properly configured by opening a terminal and running the command git version to confirm installation. Once Git is installed, open your project folder in Versus Code. If the folder is not yet a Git repository, click on the source control icon in the sidebar. It looks like a branch, and select Initialize Repository. This will create a local Git repository in your project folder, and Versus Code will immediately begin tracking changes to your files. When you modify files, they appear in the source control panel where you can review, stage, or discard changes. You can then enter a commit message and click the checkmark icon to commit those changes to your local Git history. Next, to connect your project with GitHub, you need to authenticate your GitHub account in Versus Code. Click on the Accounts icon in the bottom left corner or open the command palette, Ctrl+Shift+P, and select GitHub, Sign In. You'll be prompted to authorize Versus Code through your browser. After signing in, you can push your code to a new or existing repository on GitHub. To push an existing project, first create a repository on GitHub, then copy the repository's URL. In Versus Code, open the terminal and use git remote add origin less than URL greater than to link your local repo to the GitHub repo, followed by git push u origin main, or master, depending on your branch name, to upload your local commits. You can also use Versus Code to clone remote repositories by selecting Clone Repository from the source control panel or the command palette and pasting the GitHub repository URL. Once cloned, the repo is opened in Versus Code, and you can work on it as if it were local. As you continue development, you can use the source control panel to create new branches, switch between them, merge changes, or pull the latest updates from the remote repository using the synchronization icons or the terminal. Versus Code also provides tools to resolve merge conflicts, show commit history, and view diffs between file versions. Additionally, with GitHub integration extensions like GitHub pull requests and issues, you can review pull requests, comment on code, and manage issues, all within the editor. Overall, Versus Code simplifies Git and GitHub workflows with a combination of visual tools and terminal commands, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced developers who want an efficient, integrated version control experience.